Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are back with Princess September. This is the video number 2, paragraph number 4. It seemed to her that her little bird was away a long time. Now, this is the time when she has been made aware by her sisters. So now she is feeling a lot. She could not think what he was doing, and she was constantly thinking about the bird. Something might have happened to him, some danger. What with hawks and men with snares that wants to catch the birds? Hawks can eat. You never knew what trouble he might get into. Beside, he might forget her or he might take a fancy to somebody else. Maybe he started liking somebody else and he will not come back. That would be dreadful. Oh, she wished he were safely back again. And in the golden cage that stood there empty and ready. Now she was mentally prepared to put the bird into the cage. Suddenly, September heard a tweet tweet. Tweet tweet is the sound of the bird just behind her ear, and she saw the little bird sitting on her shoulder. He had come in so quietly and alighted so softly that he had not heard him. This means she was very much surprised and he came very quietly. So he came very quietly and on her shoulder he settled there very softly and he could not even heard him. I wondered what on earth had become of you, said the princess. Now remember, she is actually now having this thing in her mind that she should not like it going on his own wish, okay? September felt her heart go thump thump against her chest and she made her mind to take no more risk. Now, this is the point that she is not going to take any risk. She put up her hand and took hold of the bird. Now, she held the bird in her hand. This he was quite used to. She used to do this before also, so he is okay with it. She liked feeling his heart go pit a pat so fast in the hollow of her hand. Now while she was holding the bird, she could feel the heart of the bird very easily, the thumping of his heart. And I think he liked the soft warmth of her hand. So the bird suspected nothing. He did not know that what is going to happen, what princess is going to do. He was so surprised when she carried him over to the cage, popped him in, and shut the door on him that for a moment he could think of nothing to say. He got so shocked he was not actually thinking or expecting princess to put him in the cage. But in a moment or two, he hopped up on the ivory perch and said, "What is the joke?" Ivory. Ivory perch means made up of elephant tusk. A perch that is made up of elephant tusk. So he asked, "What is the joke?" Princess September said, "There is no joke. But some of Mama's cats are prowling about tonight, and I think you are much safer in there." She is actually telling a lie. Okay, she is telling that the mama's cat, yani queen's cats, are around. So this is the way you are going to be safe. That's why I'm keeping you in the cage. And she said, "I shouldn't have slept a wink all night if I hadn't known you were safe. If you are not safe, I will not be able to sleep." This is what Princess September said. "Well, for this once, I don't mind." The little bird said, "Okay, just for this once, ek bar ke liye, I won't mind. As long as you let me out in the morning. But you must let me out in the morning." He ate a very good supper and then began to sing. But in the middle of the song, he stopped. He could not continue. "I don't know what is the matter with me," he said, "but I don't feel like singing tonight." He was actually feeling weird, kept in a cage. "Very well, go to sleep." So he put his hand under his wing, and in a minute he was fast asleep. Princess also went to sleep. But when the dawn broke, dawn means early morning, when the sun came out, sun rises. She was awakened by the little bird calling her at the top of his voice. The bird was shouting, screaming, wake up, open the door of this cage and let me out. I want to have a good fly. While the dew is still on the ground. Dew, small moisture that is on the ground at the morning time, and he wants to go and have a good fly at that time. He wants the door of the cage opened. You are much better off where you are. Now, the Princess September said, you are in the cage and you will be in the cage. You have a golden, beautiful cage. You don't have to come out of it. The bird said, let me out, let me out. Now, the Princess September said, you will have 3 meals a day, served by my maids of honors. My servants are going to serve you 3 meals. You will have nothing to worry about. Okay? From morning till night, and you can sing to your heart content. Means till you are satisfied in your heart, you can sing till then. let me out, said the little bird. And he tried to slip through the bars of cage. He wanted to come out of the cage and he tried to slip out of the cage bars. But obviously, of course, he couldn't. He beat against the door, but of course, he could not open it. Let me out, let me out. Then she said, don't be such an old silly. Silly means foolish. I've only put you in the cage because I'm so fond of you. I like you. That's why I've kept you in the cage. You know what's good for you? You, you are much better than, sorry, I know what's good for you much better than you do yourself. You don't know what is good for yourself. I know better. Sing me a little song and I'll give you a piece of brown sugar. First, you are going to sing for me and then I'll give you brown sugar. But the little bird stood in the corner of his cage, looking out at the blue sky, and then never sang a note, never sang a single song. He never sang all day. That's all for today. We'll meet again. Allah Hafiz.